the Bissell Bagless lift-away. Well, I no longer have that. I swapped it earlier on in the year, at the time of you watching this, with a fellow collector for the content of this box. Inside this box is a brand that I've never had before. I've read about them online. This is our very first Filter Queen on this channel. What's it like? Don't know. What do I get? Haven't got a clue. I just swapped a vacuum cleaner for another one. So let's have a look at this partly opened box, because that's how it arrived, and check that nothing's fallen out and see how it works. Let's have a look. Yes, hello, my vacuum cleaner and American chums. How are you today? Yeah, Filter Queen, to my British boring eyes, is an American brand. I don't know when we got it here. Obviously we did, because they exist. But yeah, our first American machine, and it's sort of in here. And I guess I'm just going to pick these wheels up and pull. And there is our lovely machine. Oh, look at this. Very nice indeed. Oh, it came from a charity shop, because there's a sticker on it saying £45. We'll have a look at that in a minute when we have this box out of the way. We have ourselves a one-piece extension tube. Oh, a very nice looking powered hose. It's actually good that this big packet of bubble wrap contains all the tools, because I'm now fairly confident that nothing's fallen out and that everything is here. Let's see what we get. Let's open this little package first, which contains some small tools. We have ourselves an upholstery tool with a brush, although I wonder if, I think this has copped the weight of the machine being on it, because there is a crack there. But oh, isn't that such a very clean crack? And as soon as I put a bit of Q-Bond on there, you won't notice at all, so that's fine. Yeah, cool, very nice. Nice soft dense brushes as well. I presume that's more of a wall brush, because here is the dusting brush. Yeah, very nice, doesn't swivel, doesn't do much else, but it's pretty cool. There we have ourselves a very thick plastic. All of these tools seem very good condition. Crevice tool, that's good. In here then, yes Phoenix, I know enough about Filter Queens to know that they have a powered head, and this is one of those. Oh, there you go, look. So I didn't know where Filter Queens were sold. There was something happening in Queensway Systems there. I'll have a close look at all this in a minute. And yeah, we have our hose, our wand, and the machine itself. First thing I've noticed is that, look, he has a pneumatic eye on it. There we go. We've only got the one eye, I think. Yeah, the one eye. So yeah, we'll pop that down there, but it probably won't stay on forever. Yeah, Filter Queen Majestic Triple Crown. Very nice indeed. And somewhere, there it is, on the back, look, there's another Filter Queen thing there, 01473. I could find that out, but yeah, doesn't really matter. That's a different number to the one on the floor head though. This is from Queen's Pat Test. That's not a Pat Test sticker. That is a service sticker. And here we have a knob, which, yes, I can feel the wheels coming up and down under my fingers. Ooh, very, very used. We need to clean it out. Quite a soft brush roll as well. But I've been caught out by thinking that before, and it's actually performed not too bad. So we shall worry about that shortly. Cable seems to wrap up under here, although all of this seems quite loose, but I don't quite know how it all comes apart. Don't have a manual for it, never read a manual. We shall find out. Do you come off? So this comes off. It's a model 99 UK. Show that to you Filter Queen experts. 017025, made in the USA, Cleveland, Ohio. Oh, yeah, it even says it there, look, so I didn't need to bother with that. 800 watts very nice indeed. This is our post-motor diffuser. By the looks of it, there is a big filter under there, but I don't quite know how these tool things lift up. They seem quite... Yeah, it's on that side somewhere. We'll leave that for now. I see two clips here, so we shall lift off the top where we can find... Ah, yes, I vaguely see a knob here. Let's take this knob off and see what we find. Oh, very long thread on there. Ah, so this cone is what sits on there. Then we have a sort of pre-motor filter thing. It feels very fabricy, which I now sort of regret taking out because I've now got to try and click it back in. Oh, bother. Why did I do that? I think that's in. That will probably do it. And I'll put all that back together shortly in a break. So in here must be where the dirt goes, and we have ourselves, there's a filter here, look, it's a fairly new filter, dated 2020, so it's possibly a little bit ripe for a change, although this probably makes it a bagless machine. Wow, this just comes straight off of the wheels. That's okie dokie. So that's where the dirt goes in. It's in a genuine Filter Queen filter, so you know that's not too bad. Probably gonna be a good idea to get some more of those. And then yeah, this just comes out of the swivel caster set. I'm assuming it should. Probably every time I lift the machine up now, it's gonna fall off. Is there not a way to lock it on? I don't know. Right, either way, very exciting, very nice looking, and pretty much ready to plug in and use, I think. So I'll get it back together and we'll turn it on. Whilst putting it back together, I have discovered, where did it go? Here, there is a clip that still doesn't really, it does release something. There we go. So I'm assuming that this is actually a tool holder. And all the tools sit in here. Sadly, I think that was probably the crevice tool holder, and it is a bit, it's a bit snapped, but equally the tool still fits on it. So yeah, this is the machine sans tool holder, and we're now going to put it back on because we want it to have its tool holder. There we go. Right, pull the flex out because it's a British machine. We have ourselves a moulded plug. I don't know if I can date the plug. Approved by BSI, license number. Yeah, nice plug with a Pat test sticker because it came from a charity shop. That's fair enough. Of course it's going to work. It looks mint. Let's plug it in. And the little power switch is at the front here. Ooh, that's quiet. Oh, I like that. That's very quiet and very powerful. Let's fit the hose on. And oh dear, well, I say oh dear, look, the cable sheathing is a bit cracked there, but obviously there is no fixing that at all really. We're just going to have to be very careful with it because it's all moulded and part of the machine. So that goes there. This plugs in up here. And then we have a hose. Doesn't swivel at either end, very, very American. Put that on there. Yeah. Ooh. That's lovely indeed. Right, we have pit fitting tools. Not the Hoover type, but a pit fit nonetheless. We'll put that on there. Put this on the head. Click. Bring these up into the middle, and you're in a decent position there. I shall move the vacuum back, and we'll see what this turbo head is like. Where's the switch? That's not bad. That's really alright. Very nice. surprisingly well. It's of the same ilk as the Electrolux Automatic G, in that it does a better job than it first thinks it should. The only problem I'm having is that all of these wands are twisting in this head here, which is quite annoying. I don't quite know if it's a problem with the wand, or yeah, because look, it clicks in and then it just twists. I think that is supposed to do that because it only twists a certain amount of time. Maybe I'm just being a bit fussy about it, and it's probably okay. That's very nice indeed. You could even take that off. You can put the dusting brush on. Give the machine a dust. Refurbishing it here. This is one of those dusting brushes where there's not a lot of gap between the top of the brushes and this big plasticky part here, but that affects a lot of vacuums, not just this Filter Queen. So that is pretty cool. We'll take off the sticker that calls it a cylinder vac bag. Well, it doesn't have a bag, it is bagless, and I guess we can quickly see how much dirt it actually picked up, because being bagless, yeah, wow, okay, that's picked up all of that just from that small go around there. So that's pretty cool. I like that a lot, and I think that it will be good to get to know this Filter Queen a little bit more and see what it can do. So there we go, really. I swapped a Bissell for a Filter Queen. Hey, one American vacuum for another, because obviously Bissell is more American than it is English, and we should call it American. So yeah, what do you think? Let me know, Filter Queen experts, anything I need to look out for, any hints and tips. Well, to be honest, it sounds lovely, it's just a bit filthy and needs perhaps one day a nice refurb, but I don't know, not quite now. I'm going to use it, get to know it a bit more, and we'll see how we get on. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed, and I and this Filthy Queen will see you soon. Bye bye.